Hey my good friends, Sam Haymart for Test Driven TV. At the Detroit Auto Show, the redesigned 2019 Ford Edge midsize crossover SUV makes its debut with fresh styling, new powertrain options, and of course, more technology. Our first full look coming right up. A staple of the Ford SUV lineup, the midsize 5-passenger Edge gets a significant freshening for 2019, starting with new styling front and rear. Immediately noticeable is a new grille now separated from the headlights visually. The grille is wider and now trimmed out with standard full LED headlamps. Upper models get LED fog lights and signature lighting is shown here, a look that's topped off with the new hood design to tie it all together. At the rear, new taillights that now bookend a black center trim piece instead of a full-width taillight panel as before, a cost-cutting move no doubt. The fresh styling is finished off with a new bumper and a new fascia design with more sculpting and more contours. The main interior change, aside from finishes and minor trims, is a redesigned center console now built around that same rotary gear shift selector found in the Ford Fusion. Ford says it frees up space, allows better access to storage in the cup holders, but let's be honest, it's cheaper. And when it comes to shifting the new Edge, under your foot will be a new 8-speed automatic transmission, which along with the standard 2-liter EcoBoost engine should offer better fuel economy overall. The engine has 5 more horsepower than before, now at 250. The 2019 Ford Edge will be available with both front-wheel and all-wheel drive. Notable in our initial materials is that there's no mention of the previous model year's 3.5-liter V6, which is likely going away. The good news is that you can now get the fire-breathing Edge ST for 2019 with 335 horsepower from its 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6. On the matter of technology for 2019, Edge now gets a post-collision braking system that applies the brakes after a crash. This prevents you from rolling into another crash after the first one. Available will be a host of driver assistance features too for those who want them. These include evasive steering assist that can help steer around stopped or slower vehicles to help avoid collisions. To be honest, this sounds a little bit scary to me. There's also forward emergency braking along with radar-based cruise control and lane keeping assist among many other things. For infotainment, Sony goes by the wayside for the top-end audio, now replaced by a new HD radio 12-speaker B&O Play audio infotainment system by Harman. That includes all of the goodness with Sync 3 and the app connectivity list that's endless. Don't forget, a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 10 devices is now standard equipment across the board. Alright, there it is for the 2019 Ford Edge. Now, final specifications and pricing, that'll come along a little bit later, closer to its summer on sale date. Until then, click right here, see all of our coverage from the Detroit Auto Show this year. A lot of exciting cars and trucks, especially from Ford. Also, click right here, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Either way, stay tuned.